Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarcar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let's make smoking misal pav today, a different version of the Kolhapuri misal. We will need 200 grams mixed sprouts, 100 grams mixed white peas and peanuts. Wash it and keep it ready. Use ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves. Chop them into a mixer small jar. 1 green chili, grind it coarsely. Add 2 tablespoon oil to a pressure cooker. Add 5 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 8 peppercorn, small piece kalpasi, 1 chopped onion. Stir fry this for 1 minute. Add the green masala. Fry again. Half teaspoon turmeric and fry till fragrant. The garlic will smell nice once it is fried. Add the sprouts, masoor, matki, moong, total 200 grams prior to soaking. Then we sprout them the next day. I will make a special video of how to sprout these. Add 1 potato cut into cubes with the skin. Add water just enough for it to cook. Add sea salt to taste and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Heat 4 tablespoon oil in a separate handi. This is the tadka. Add 8 to 10 curry leaves, 3 onion chopped. This is for the gravy. Add little salt and 1.5 teaspoon chili powder. If you want it more spicy, you can add more. Then 2 tomatoes chopped. Saute on low flame. Keep stirring the tomatoes till they are pulpy and it leaves oil. Now grind to paste half of this into a gravy. That will give the nice blend. Now add the cooked sprouts and separately cooked white peas and peanuts. I had cooked it separately in a separate pressure cooker. Add chopped coriander. Add the gravy paste. We have already added salt, so we will taste and add more if required. Add water. The gravy has to be watery. Bring it to a boil. Taste and add more salt if required. You can see the mixed sprout. This is the misal. Now it is ready to serve. We will need farsan and pav and chopped onion to go with this. Take some farsan. This is the mix khara in a matka. We want to smoke it, so we will put some extra farsan in the matka. You can see the farsan. It's almost half the level. Now put a burning charcoal into the farsan and pour coconut oil or ghee on charcoal so as to get smoke. Cover it with a lid and trap the smoke into the farsan to get the smoky flavor that we want. You can see the smoke coming out of the matka. But do not open the lid so soon. Let the smoke get trapped in it. Now transfer the farsan onto the misal gravy. Serve with pav and chopped onion and lime by the side. Enjoy! Thanks for watching my recipe. If you have liked it, please subscribe, like and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.